Hello everyone, welcome to Staff Engineer Academy, providing you bite-sized tips for you to be a better staff engineer. In this video, we're going to discuss the anti-pattern called the last 10% trap. So the last 10% trap is underestimating the time and complexity for the final stages of a project. As Steve Smith said, the first 90% of the project takes 90% of the time, and the last 10% takes the other 90% of the time. What are some of the consequences? So this can lead to a very long time spent on the last 10% of the project. It can cause you to miss deadlines, increase cost for your organization. It can lead to frustrated stakeholders and a lowered morale among the engineers or people who worked on the project. Some of the causes of last 10% trap could be overconfidence. Maybe you started very well and then you realized the last 10% has a lot of more unknowns and risks. Second is probably poor estimation. So maybe you didn't really estimate what it takes to take the project to the finish line. Third is lack of explicit thought on rollout and regression risks. So when you're trying to launch a project, there's a rollout phase and a risk of regressing existing functionality. If you don't put explicit thought on those stages, you may not estimate them, leading to this last 10% trap. And fourthly, hidden complexity. So there could be edge cases or last minute refinements that your stakeholder wants that only happen during the last 10% of the project. Solutions, how you can deal with this: break down tasks. So break down granular tasks on the first phase and the last phase. Monitor progress regularly to make sure that you're on track along each way. Do not get overconfident. Put explicit thought into the rollout phase. So in the last phase, what exactly are you going to do? What can go wrong? Plan for the worst case scenarios up front and factor that into your estimation. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.